Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, FxPipCollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think it's very clear this is going to be a three-wave move down for likely an ABC of 4 before it goes up again and makes a wave 5 to complete what I think is very, very clearly on the monthly time frame a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave A. I still think we're in a wave B right now. Now we have to keep in mind that this could drift up to a higher Fibonacci level. There's really no proof that the wave B is over yet. Eventually, I do think it is going to go down and make a wave C, but it doesn't have to do it now. It potentially could go up to any one of these fib levels before it decides to turn back down. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, we did have an impulsive move down, and it did kind of break structure, which is why I was hoping that this was either going to be a 1, 2, 3 and start a brand new downtrend, or it potentially was going to be an ABC, which would give us a nice clear entry to go long again. So I had to keep an eye on it. I mean, with this break of structure, I do think it's either going to make an ABC or a 1, 2, 3. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, very impulsive down. Definitely did break structure, either a wave A or a wave 1. It made what I think is very clearly three waves up for either a wave B or a wave 2. So I would expect this to continue down. Now, it doesn't have to continue down yet. It could drift up to a higher fib level, but I would expect this to continue down for a C, which would look like this, and then turn back up. Or if we're lucky, it really is a wave 3, and this is going to start a brand new trend reversal on the daily, weekly time frame to the downside. Heading all the way down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down from here to here. This move up looks very impulsive, so I would kind of expect it to make some sort of a three-wave pattern like this, like an A, B, C. So if it does make three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level with a nice engulfing move to the downside, I am definitely going to take it as a sort for the continuation of the downtrend. I would much prefer to just wait for a nice clear ABC correction, a nice Fibonacci bounce to go short, just in case it does decide to just keep on trending up. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.